Do you know you can make money online by just testing apps and websites? In this video, we are going to learn how to make money by testing apps and websites. The first website to talk about is UserTesting.com. UserTesting is a legitimate website where you can really earn some money on completing the testing tasks. It is not at all a scam. It also does not ask you to pay anything to get enrolled as a tester. It is a very honest app. They have a very straightforward and transparent process for enrollment and work. In order to become a tester, you need to submit a sample test which is then reviewed by the user testing team. If your test gets approved, then you become a tester on this platform. All the payments are done through a PayPal account. There is no other mode of payment. The next website to talk about is uTest.com. uTest is a software testing site that will pay you for testing out software or websites, depending on the demand. It is indeed a legit site since it will really pay you for doing tests. uTest pays an average of $95,592 per year, or $45.96 an hour. There is a significant gap between what uTest pays the bottom 10% of earners and the top 10% of earners. The lowest paid workers at uTest make less than $63,000 a year, while the highest paid workers earn over $143,000. To sign up, fill in the required details and click on Sign Up. The next is UserPeak.com. UserPeak, as mentioned above, is a user testing site that will pay you to find errors, bugs, and other inconsistencies on a site or mobile app. Every time you complete a testing project and it is approved by UserPeak, you will receive a certain compensation. The site claims you can earn $10 US for every 15 to 20 minutes of website testing video that is approved. In my experience, this is a decent rate considering 20 minutes isn't that long. Fill in your details and sign up. The next website is Enroll.com. Enroll is a testing site that pays you to test. But it offers limited earning opportunities and it doesn't really pay that well, so you will need some patience to earn. And many people will end up never getting any paid tests at all. Each test you complete will earn you 10 cents. When you've earned $1, you are then eligible to receive a payout via PayPal. This is a very low payout threshold, which is good, in my opinion, because it allows you to receive payment a lot easier. UserFeel.com is another website. UserFeel works well when you are looking for a side hustle. You don't need much experience as a tester, as such. It works best if you regularly visit a range of websites and try assorted apps and have confidence that you can speak clearly, expressing your opinions on layout and usability. The pay for doing a test, typically about 10 to 20 minutes of your time, is very reasonable at $10 per test. The next is Trymata.com. Trymata, formerly TryMyUI, is a legit user testing site that pays you for completing site tests. It can be a good site to earn extra cash if you are comfortable speaking out your thoughts. Every test you complete and pass will earn you at least $10. That is the most normal reward you will get, but you might sometimes be invited to tests that pay more. You will then get paid via PayPal. So, it is important to have a verified PayPal account before you sign up as a member. The payment will be processed every weekday morning. It will be automated, so you don't actually have to manually request payment. It can a couple of days before it will be reflected in your PayPal account, though. So, don't expect to receive your earnings right away. The next website is UserCrowd.com. UserCrowd is a legit user testing website, and there's payment proof online that shows it pays users. However, the site has a very low earning potential, and there's no guarantee to get tests. And the $10 payout requirement means you might have money locked up in your account until you can cash out. The next website to talk about is Ubertesters.com. Ubertester is an all-in-one mobile and web automation test management tools. It manages the development cycle, provides bug testing and tracking. It tests usability, functionality, and localization. They also pay through PayPal. Testbirds.com. Testbirds is a decent user testing site. If you are into this kind of earning method, I would recommend you join this site. However, you have to temper your expectations as there will not always be tests available. You have to take and pass the entry test in order to qualify for testing projects. Doing so will also give you an idea of the overall process that needs to be done when testing. Think of it as a preview of what you need to do to earn. The entry test will also reward you €5 when it is completed. The test will provide a step-by-step guide, so you just have to read the instructions carefully to complete it. The good thing about their test is, even a newcomer will be able to pass it as long as you read and follow the instructions to the letter. After you've submitted your work for the entry test, Testbirds will review it, and if you pass, you will now be qualified to take on testing projects. All you have to do now is wait for Testbirds to invite you to participate in a test. The next website is BetaFamily.com. BetaFamily is not a bad user testing site. However, it's also not that good. The main reason I say this is that the site offers limited earning opportunities, so it can take a while before you will be able to reach the fairly high payout threshold. One way to earn good money online is to test apps. One site that offers this kind of opportunity is called BetaFamily. Every time you complete a paid test, you will receive a certain amount, which will be credited to your BetaFamily account balance. Once you've reached the payout threshold of $50, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings via PayPal. To withdraw your earnings via PayPal, you have to link your PayPal account first. You can do this by going to the account settings and clicking Payout Information. You'll then see something similar to the photo above. Just provide your PayPal address, and you are good to go. The last to talk about is BetaTesting.com. BetaTesting is a company that conducts tests on websites, apps, and products. They have a community of beta testers who will do these tests. The company's beta testers are not technical developers, but regular people who will likely know how the general population will interact and use the app or website. As a beta tester, you will be paid for each website, app, or product that you test. You can get paid in either karma points or cash. BetaTesting is a market research company that offers people an opportunity to make money testing websites, apps, and hardware. The company will pay you in cash or in karma points for each test that you complete. To join, you need to be at least 18 years old, speak fluent English, and must own any device that is required for a specific test. If you meet all of these criteria, you can apply to become a tester. You start by entering your email address on the site, then fill in a password and you'll be given access. Once inside, the next step is to complete your profile and personal information. You must complete this since your profile is one of the main things the company will look at when it comes to sending you test invites. After completing all of this, you just need to wait for BetaTesting to send you a test invite. Your profile and location will be the main determining factors on how frequently you will receive test invites.